Best One accessories. As Xbox gaming grows in popularity, players are investing more in accessories that enhance their gameplay. Whether you're looking for extra storage, longer battery life, or a more efficient charging system, the right accessory can make a big difference. This guide evaluates top Xbox One accessories based on build quality, performance, compatibility, and overall value to help you level up your gaming experience without breaking the bank. List number 1. Seagate Game Drive for Xbox 2TB external hard drive. The Seagate Game Drive for Xbox 2TB is a must-have for gamers tired of deleting titles to make space. Designed specifically for Xbox, this USB 3.2 Gen 1 portable HDD offers plug-and-play functionality, allowing you to instantly expand your game library. With 2 terabytes of storage, you can store over 50 AAA titles without impacting performance. The sleek, compact design makes it highly portable and travel-friendly. List number 2. Oivo XSX controller charger station with 2x 5580 mAh. The Oivo XSX controller charger station is the perfect solution for Xbox gamers who want a clean setup and uninterrupted gaming. It comes with 2 5580 mAh rechargeable battery packs, offering long-lasting playtime for Xbox Series and Xbox One controllers. The dual charging dock charges both controllers simultaneously and features LED indicators to show charging status. The sleek vertical design saves desk space while looking modern and game room ready. List number 3. Xbox One controller charger with 4x 4080 milliwatts USB-C batteries. This charger kit with 4x 4080 milliwatts USB-C batteries is ideal for households with multiple gamers or anyone who rotates between controllers. Each rechargeable battery supports up to 15 to 20 hours of gameplay, and the USB-C charging system ensures a fast and reliable power-up. The package includes a quad charger dock, allowing all 4 batteries to be charged at once. LED status lights indicate charging progress. List number 2-pack Xbox rechargeable battery pack play and charge kit 1400 mAh. For budget-conscious gamers, the 2-pack Xbox play and charge kit 1400 mAh offers simplicity and reliability. These batteries are compatible with Xbox One and Series XS controllers and provide around 10 to 12 hours of gameplay per charge. The USB-C cables included allow charging while playing, minimizing downtime. The batteries are easy to install and remove, and they recharge quickly, typically within 3 hours. List number 5. dxkk rechargeable batteries for Xbox One, Series XS. The dxkk rechargeable battery pack offers a high-capacity, long life solution for serious Xbox gamers. Compatible with Xbox One, One S, One X, and Series XS, this kit includes 3 rechargeable batteries and a multi-slot charging dock. Each battery supports up to 15 hours of continuous playtime. The charging dock features LED indicators for real-time battery status and includes overcharging protection for safety.